In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off a client balance in SimplePractice. A write-off is a bookkeeping adjustment that reduces what a client owes when you've decided not to collect part or all of a charge. It's commonly used for uncollectible balances, sliding scale decisions, or insurance disallowances that you're choosing not to bill to the client. This isn't a refund, and it doesn't move money. It simply lowers the client's outstanding responsibility and updates your records accordingly. Start by opening the client's profile in SimplePractice. From there, go to Billing, then select Client Billing Overview. This page is your hub for everything related to that client's financial activity. You'll see sessions, invoices, payments, and adjustments in one place, which makes it easier to target exactly what needs to be updated. Next, locate the specific appointment or invoice that requires the write-off. You can match it by date, fee amount, or invoice number so you're adjusting the correct item. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the right line, especially if multiple sessions share the same fee. Accuracy. Here ensures your reports and statements stay clean. When you've found it, click Manage plus Edit Details. This opens the detail view where you can modify financial fields for that session or invoice. Look for the write-off field. This is where you enter the amount you've decided to forgive. If you want to write off the entire balance for that session, set the write-off equal to the full session fee. If you only want to reduce the client's responsibility by a partial amount, such as a portion not covered by insurance, enter just that amount. Use plain numbers for the currency value and double-check the figure before saving. Once you've entered the write-off amount, save the change. SimplePractice will immediately update the client's balance and the owed amount will drop accordingly. You'll see the adjustment reflected on the related invoice or session details, which provides transparency in your records. If you're working through multiple dates of service, apply this same process to each relevant appointment or invoice so each balance is accurate on its own. As a best practice, make sure your internal documentation reflects why the write-off was made so your team and your accountant have a clear audit trail. Remember, write-offs can affect your financial reports and metrics, so enter only the amounts you truly intend to forgive. That's all there is to it. Open the client's profile, go to Billing and Client Billing Overview, find the correct item, click Manage plus Edit Details, enter the amount in the write-off field, and save. Your records and the client's balance will update right away.